Good day everyone and welcome students. I am Ma'am Lakpao, your MAPIT teacher. Here are a few reminders before we start with our online class. Reminder number 1. Check your equipment before entering the class. Make sure that your headset, earphone, and cameras are working well. Troubleshoot your technical problems ahead of time. Reminder number 2. Always enter the room on time. We have limited time for our daily online classes. Be punctual so we can maximize it. Reminder number 3. Attend to personal needs before entering the class. Best to drink, eat, or go to restroom before classes to avoid class interruption. Reminder number 4. Mute your microphone during discussion. We don't have soundproof studio at home, so we have to make sure that the speaker's audio is very clear with no noise interference coming from students. Reminder number 5. Raise your hand if you would like to ask or answer. If you would like to give a response or clarification, please wait to be acknowledged before you speak. Finally, avoid getting sidetracked. Talk about matters that are only related to the topic of the discussion or to the subject as a whole. Please be reminded that not everyone at home has a conducive environment for learning, so please be considerate and respectful. Good morning and welcome grade 7 students. Let's have our first activity. I call it thumb it up. So you will do the thumbs up. If the picture shows on the screen can be found at your home, and thumbs down if not. So are you ready? The first picture is mat. Okay, so if you have a mat at your home, thumbs up, and if not, thumbs down. Next picture, the second picture is bamboo sala set. Thumbs up or thumbs down. The third picture is the Annabelle bag. Do you have an Annabelle bag at your home? Or a coin purse? Or in this new normal, a mask with Annabelle design. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, the third or the fourth is basket. Do you have basket at home? Thumbs up or thumbs down? And then the last picture is a jar. Do you have a jar at home? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, so our lesson is about the arts and crafts of Ilocos region. So, have you already visited the Ilocos region? So, what are the provinces in the Region 1 or the Ilocos region? So, take a look at this map. These are the provinces of Ilocos region. We have the Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. Okay, so let's talk about first the architecture in Ilocos. Vigan. Vigan is the very famous place in Ilocos Sur. It is considered as the Intramuros of the North. Retains the Spanish colonial architecture along its narrow and cobblestone streets known as Calle Crisologo. These old Spanish type houses have huge high-pitched roofs, large and rectangular living rooms that are made of adobe, bricks, lime, terracotta, hardwood floors, and windows of capiz shells framed in window or in wooden window panels. So this is an example. This is the example of hardwood floors. Yan, hardwood floors. And then the wooden window panels. That is a capiz shells frame. Yan. Okay. Next is, let's move to the textile. Okay, so next, textile. Inabel is a hand weaving technique of the Ilocanos that is produced using traditional wooden looms. Okay, so what do you observe about the design of Inabel? Look at the picture or the example of Inabel. The different designs represent different meanings. Binakol weave represents the waves of the sea. They believe that this design protects them from bad spirits. The Inabel designs are inspired by natural elements, patterns that depict different landforms, the colors of flowers, and vegetation, plaid, zigzags. Look at this. They have the zigzag. Animal patterns or the ocean waves or the glittering night sky. Okay, so let's move now to pottery. So let's move to pottery. Burnai. Burnai is an unglazed earthen jar with small opening. So what do you think is the use of burnai? It is used for storage for water and rice grains and as a container for salt, brown sugar, basi or the local wine, and bagoong or the fermented fish. Okay, so how do the potters make a burnai heavy and sturdy? The potters mix fine gravel, sand and ashes, and fire the clay to make the burnai heavy and sturdy. So what do you observe about the design of burnai? Look at the picture here. Okay, the designs are simple. Sometimes curved patterns can be found around the shoulders of the jar. Okay, next. The last is, in Pangasinan, weaving. Okay, so weaving, the meaning of weaving is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth. But in case of Pangasinan, weaving in Pangasinan, the arts and crafts of Pangasinan include the smoothly woven bulinaw mats made from buri or raffia leaves and the bamboo crops to make baskets or any furniture of San Carlos. For your next activity, watch a short video clip and follow the instructions or procedures on how to make a basket weaving.
Come on, let's paint.
Hi Ma'am Nice, I am Angeline Puyawan. I will make basket weaving. Let's start.
Materials needed: null newspaper, stick, glue or paste, cardboard, and scissors. Number 1 procedure, cut the newspapers into rectangular shape.
On the brush, and we swirl it all around. We swirl it all around.
Number 2, roll in a stick, then lock it with paste or glue. Make many as you can, depends on how big is your basket.
Yeah, we call it art. Oh, we call it art. We call it art. So many things that we can draw. Lines, dots, stripes and shapes. Let's use chalk, pencils.
Please trace a small circle in your cardboard. Depends on how big your basket is. Cut the two circles with the same size.
Like turquoise and magenta, lime green and sienna. It's time.
Number 4, paste the end of rolled newspaper in the circle cardboard with half-inch space, then cover it with the other circle cardboard.
We call it art. We call it art. Come on, let's paint with some colors. Start
Number 5, fold the rolled newspapers upward, then start weaving with the other rolled newspaper until it finally reaches size you want for your basket.
We put the paint on the brush and we swirl it all around. We swirl it all around on the canvas. We call it art. Oh, we call it art. Yeah, we call it art.
Number 6, paste it or use some glue to become more durable.
We call it art. So many things that we can draw. Lines, dots, stripes and shapes. Let's use chalk.
Number 7, make a handle then paste it.
Crayons to brighten up the page. All these colors to choose from. Like turquoise and magenta, lime green and sienna. It's time to sketch.
Number 8, make a selfie while doing and at finish of your work.
Yeah, we call it art. Oh, we call it art.
This is the rubrics for the individual activity for basket weaving. 5 points, totally original design, submitted on time, clean and attractive. 4 points, the design and construction look planned, submitted on time. 3 points, the item has several flaws, submitted but not on time, unclean and unattractive. 2 points, the artwork looks thrown together at the last minute, the student put in no additional effort. And 1 point, not submitted anything. So please get your MAPE notebooks for our quiz this week or your module on page 10. So the direction is read the questions, then write the answers only on your notebook or on your modules. So I will read it for you. Number 1, which of the following process used in Inabel fabric? Number 2, what are the uses of Bornay? Number 3, Bornay is an unglazed earthen jar. Which of the following common color of jar? Number 4, hand weaving technique of the Ilocanos that is produced using traditional wooden looms. And number 5, what made Calle Crisologo unique from other streets? Are you done? So let's answer now. For number 1, the answer is letter A, weaving. Number 2, the answer is letter D, all of the above. Number 3, the answer is letter C. Number 4, the answer is letter B, Inabel. And number 5, letter C is Spanish colonial architecture. So, can I get a copy of a picture of your quiz with your score? Kindly send it to a messenger or in our GC. So, that's all for today. Have a blessed week ahead. God bless and keep safe, everyone.